Hi guys. Well, I am literally on the road today to Denver to see you guys at CEDIA 2025 this week. It's going to be an amazing show. One thing that we are launching, which is a big subject of this newsletter, is radar. We've been talking about this for the last few months. Some of you have done some beta testing with us. We continue to hear amazing things about the power of radar, and it is a all-encompassing command notification center for you and your company. Every little notification from Jetbuilt or from a client or from your team or from your project manager or to your project manager, to your team, to your client can all happen in this one area. You see everything that's new at the top. You see everything in a timeline of what's happened historically below. And you can filter by certain criteria and everything else. So dig into radar. It is there for you. It is included with all Jetbuilt accounts and it is live today. And then in Denver, we're going to be showing you something secret, something brand new that we'll be launching here in the next month or so. And we've been doing some testing, and come by the booth and we'll show it to you. If you're wondering what it is, it has something to do with creating your line drawings for your projects. So there you go. Thank you again for using Jetbuilt. We'll see you in Denver, or we'll see you out there everywhere else. All right, until next time, Paul Dexter signing off.